everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a triangular chain. This is a different one. This is another one that I came up with on my own, so I hope you enjoy it. I cut these strips a little bit less than 3 inches. They're not all the same. So that one's a little bit, that's about 2 3/4, and this one's almost 3. I just want you to fold it like this. Okay, so it's going to go on like this. We're just going to start with 1/4. You don't have to pinch that. Just going to put a little glue right there in the corner. And I'm going to start at the bottom. You can start at the top too. I'll make sure I get a point over here. Do all of it. You can do as much as you want. You can space these out as much as you want. Here's one I did with orange and white, and I just used poly satins, and you can see they're different. I just randomly put them on there and kind of tilted them too. So I mean, you don't have to be perfect with them. These I stapled on, so you just have to be careful not to smash it, but just make sure you're pushing the triangles together so you're making an opening there. You want to have this nice little opening that you can see in.